Alright, so hi guys, today I'm gonna cover why I take 1 to 2 setups per day and how do I take them on Nasdaq. Right, so first thing first, it's like a checklist how I go through my days. So first thing I do is get my bias right. So if you look at the last week, we had a raid on these highs, right? So I was kind of bearish for the last week, and I saw that Monday dumped, and then I saw that Tuesday took out the Monday low and expanded higher, right? So Wednesday was kind of bullish because we have swept out this sell side liquidity. It was also a range low. So I was trying to aim for a little bit more higher, like around these highs over here after this sweep. So now I have my bias that for Wednesday I'm bullish and I'm gonna look for longs until this high gets taken. After that I would go on the 4 hour, right? And then I would mark out the open, which was just over here, right? I saw that we had open and we just chop after the open, right? And then 2 a.m. dumped lower, 6 a.m. also dumped, and this was the low that I was expecting the reversal to form off of, and 10 a.m. took it and then it reversed, right? This is the low I'm trying to see we take it. So after I have the reversal point, I'm gonna align something with it, right? Let's say there was a 4-hour PD array. So there was this 4-hour rejection block over here, right? So I would have this marked out, like I have a key level right below this low, which is strong for reversals, and I have targets over here, right? And then if you go on the 15-minute, you can identify liquidity, right? Which is gonna be here, here, this, and this. So what do? We open and we just chop from liquidity, and then we dump to lower, right? If you mark out the equity open, we open, dropped, failed to take out this low and rejected her. This would have been a fake out. For most of the traders who think that now we're gonna push her, but we still have those levels, right? And then like around 11, we took out this low, tap in the level. We have all of this liquidity, right, resting here, and our targets also over here. This is a breakdown of the FOMC trade, FMC day, right? And then okay, I use this fib. It's something I made, like I created it. So what it does is basically I mark it from a time-based high to the time-based low, right? And it gave this quadrants. So this is the upper quadrants, which is the red lines, and this is the lower quadrants, which is the blue line, right? Okay, now I see that I have the bullish quadrants. This is called bullish quadrants because this is the lower one and this is for ourselves, right? So now I know that I have the quadrants over here, right? And it is also aligning with my PD arrays, basically. I have this level, I have this, and I have this. So now it's like 3 levels, which is A plus for me, right? After that, what I do is I go on the 1 minute and I wait for my level to get hit. Okay, so here we took out the low, right? The previous day low, and we formed like 1 minute CSD, right? But I wouldn't long here because I want to see the lower quadrant get taps in, right? And the 4-hour rejection block. Over here we tap the lower quadrant and the 4-hour rejection block. Okay, then I just need a close above this. Once it forms, I will long here. I use a 10-point stop, and then I'm gonna TP like over here on these highs or on these highs. It was a FMCD, so I might have holded this towards my Tron liquidity, which is gonna give me 300 points with almost a 30R, which is crazy, right? So yeah, and then once we hit that, how you could have caught this shot is basically you just need two things. You just need the fib and liquidity. That's it. What is this liquidity rate? And then if you were to put out the fib, this. Look at this. What do you have now? Let's just remove this one, right? You would have this blue quadrants above, which is for sales, right? Aligned with the liquidity, like it's perfectly aligned, right? So once I saw that we tap the upper quadrant and take out this liquidity, that's enough confirmation for me to short from some 1 minute confirmation with a 10-point stop or above this high, like right around here. And then I'm just gonna TP for like this, right? But I only take one trade a day. If it's a win, I close the charts. If it's a loss, I will take one more. So on Wednesday, I would just take this and then I would just close the charts, right? So it's just two things basically, liquidity and fib. That's it. That's all I need. And pretty much it, yeah, that's how I trade. That's why I only take 1 or 2 setters per day. I don't take 5 trades, 6 trades, no. I just take one trade, loss, second, and done. If second is also lost, then I'm just done. But if the first one is win, then I'm done again, right? So yeah, this is how I do it. If you have any questions regarding this, you can ask them in my Discord or in my comments, right? You can join the Discord, the link is gonna be in the description, and yeah, I think that's gonna be it. See you guys, peace.